trial attorney Byron Browne, who joins us from Arizona, Gilbert, Arizona. Byron, good morning. Do you want to first talk about this supposed incompetence first? Robert Durst, according to his attorneys, is suffering from a number of ailments, including bladder cancer, and the jury was told he's going to take the stand in his own defense in this case. It makes sense if the guy is having major physical issues that he might not be competent physically to stand trial, a months-long murder trial.
Yeah, and that's a real possibility, and we're going to see this morning in this evidentiary hearing exactly what the evidence is going to show. And I believe the evidence is going to rely heavily upon medical experts testifying as it relates to the physical health of Robert Durst. If those medical doctors believe that Robert Durst's health will prevent him from sitting on this trial, and more likely than not, it's going to rest upon whether he can participate in this trial intelligently. And if he can't, and the judge is convinced of that from these medical professionals, and I'm assuming we're going to have medical professionals from both sides, meaning in favor of Robert Durst, and the prosecution most likely will also have physicians that examine Durst to say that he can testify and participate in the trial, but whoever's more convincing will likely win the day here this morning.
Robert Durst's team is also asking him to not only have, they first need this to be continued, but then they want him out on bail, of course. And they have a set of terms that they have set forth saying that, hey, if you let him out so that he can convalesce outside of the jail facility where he's currently housed, we'll have a monitor on him, a GPS monitor, high bail amount, whatever you want. The guy's got millions, possibly billions. We want him released to a medical facility, and Robert Durst will pay for his own security detail. How does something like this fly in front of a judge? Rich guy offers to pay for these things that most Americans in this situation would have no ability to do. Do courts look favorably on this, or
is the answer. They don't look favorably upon it, and I don't believe Durst is going to be successful. I mean, his team is doing everything that they can do. I'm assuming Robert Durst asked his legal team to do everything to see if he can get out on bail. This is one of the most infamous individuals that is currently on trial in America, and I cannot imagine any judge allowing him to go free on bail, regardless of the conditions, regardless of what he can pay for or not. I do not believe the judge will be letting Mr. Durst out on bail today.
Yeah, well, Robert Durst did spend a large portion of his adult life trying to evade law enforcement, but justice caught up with him back in 2015 as investigators questioned him about the trail of bodies that Durst allegedly left in his wake. Take a listen.